Odisha has been a major go-to destination for all the sports lovers as far as international sporting tournaments are concerned for the last 2 to 3 years, be it hockey or football or athletics. Odisha is now considered to be a sports capital of India. And now, to add another feather to its cap, Odisha now its own football team called Odisha FC, who will be making their debut in the ISL October 22 against Jamshedpur FC. And for the first time, Odisha Post Live were able to catch up with the local lad Shubham Sarangi. Let's go and meet him. Hello and welcome to Odisha Post Live. Today we are with our very own local lad Shubham Sarangi, the right back or you can say the midfielder of Odisha FC. Shubham, welcome to Odisha Post Live.
Thank you. Yeah. As you said, like everyone is waiting for the season to start, and we are just hoping to give our best for the team and do well for the state and for the team.
Shubham, you started with Minerva Punjab youth team, and then you went to play the Indian Under 14 team, the 17 team, and then the ISL, Delhi Dynamos, and now you are back to your state, Odisha FC. How excited are you about this?
Of course, like everyone wants to represent their state or their people at some point of time in their life. So yeah, now I'm getting this chance, so I don't want to let it go and give my best for the state and do well for the team as well as for the state. And yeah, I never dreamt of playing for Odisha FC as such, but yeah, now as such, now I got the chance, so I'll give my best for the team.
Can you speak about your journey? I mean, how it has been so far?
Yeah, like as you said, I started like first I played for the Delhi state team, and then we went to Kalyani in Kolkata. So we played nationals, and then from there I got selected for the Indian team under 13. So we were representing the Indian team for the under 14 AFC festival championship. So yeah, we went to Iran, and then that's how I started. Like my parents were really very supportive, and then as I started after that, like I played for the under 13 till the under 17, and yeah, as you said, I played for the Minerva for few months, I would say, and then I kept playing, and yeah, as you keep playing, you have your goals and everything, you want to achieve it gradually, and so that's how I came into play. And my journey was like I started to see people playing from my balcony, and that's how it all started. Yeah, and I'm thankful to God that there's a game called football.
In one of your interviews a long back, you have said about your inspiration, your grandfather R.K. Mohapatra. So can you throw us some light?
Like I said, like after this interview I'm going to meet him otherwise, like yeah. So he always used to tell me that because when he was young he used to play football, and he always used to tell me that sports is always like it's a good thing to take up sports because you learn the how to live a life and all these things. So yeah, he always used to tell me that how football played into his life, and now he's supporting me throughout, like, and he's so happy when he sees me play, and this is like just incredible, and I'm so happy that I can make him proud, and he's also proud to see me. He came to watch me in Super Cup, and that's really a good moment for me, and I'm so happy that he told me about this thing.
You have played for India at a very young age. So does that motivate you? How it motivates you every morning? I mean, was it beneficial for you?
Of course, playing for the nation is like everyone's dream, and to represent your nation in any age category, it just keeps you motivated, and yeah, you don't want to stop, and you want to represent the senior team as well at some point of time in your life, and yeah, I want to keep working hard, and with time, with patience, and determination and everything, when I get a chance to play for the senior team, I'll give my best, and rest it's in God's hands. So I'll give my best.
You did your, Odisha FC did their pre-season in Doha, Qatar, in Aspire Academy. And we have seen in the Instagram posts that Xavi came to meet you people. So what was the conversation with you guys and Xavi, and what advice did Xavi give you?
So like yeah, we played against their under 23 teams, and it was a good match. So Xavi came and he was speaking to our coach, and yeah, just it was, of course, his presence itself makes all the difference. Like he's such a legend of this game, and yeah, like his presence made us feel so special, and yeah, these things, these small things make us motivated to do well, and yeah, so all these things we spoke.
In the team, you have some seniors also in terms of domestic players or the international players. So how you guys have been gelling with? I mean, it's a long preseason you had, and now you're going to play Jamshedpur FC in your first match. So how has been things like in the team?
Yeah, like this team, we really bond so well, and like all the experienced players, all the experienced players, they treat all the young players and everyone. They keep the team together, and that is what's so good about our team. And they teach every young player how to play. They give their experience, and that is how we are learning. And we are so excited to be part of this team and to learn from such experienced players. And this is just like so good to learn from them.
You have been playing under Joseph Gamba from the last year. So how has been his impact on your personal career?
Like every coach has its own philosophy, and our coach, he has a different philosophy, and I really like, and all the players, they are liking the philosophy what we are playing over here, keeping the ball and everything. So yeah, that is how these days the football is all about, keeping the ball and being effective when you have the ball. So yeah, this is the good philosophy which is coming to India, and I'm so happy that we have a coach like him.
Right now, I mean, ISL has come to Odisha, and most probably the Indian, I mean, the FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup will also be happening at the Kalinga Stadium. So, all these developments, how do you think that these developments will help the growth for the football in the state, for the men's and the women's?
Yeah, like from the past few years, Odisha government is doing so many for all the sports, not only for football, not only for cricket, hockey, everything. Like last year, I think there was the Hockey World Cup, or this year, yeah. So the Odisha government is making all the efforts to bring and to implement good sporting culture in this state, and which is going to be like, you don't get, like when you invest, you don't get the thing in a year or two, but when you keep doing all the good things, then the sporting culture in the state will just keep growing, and you will see a lot of players coming from this state.
Shubham, another thing is that, I mean, this is your team, this is your Kalinga Stadium, your home ground. So, how do you expect the fans and how do you expect, I mean, the cheering for you?
Of course, like in our team there are two local boys. So yeah, I want everyone from Odisha to get engaged to this game. And as football is the most popular game in the world, I want everyone in Odisha to come and cheer for the team, not only for us, for the entire team. And we will give our best for the team and for the state as well. And yeah, like I want all the people in Odisha to come and cheer for us. And yeah, this will be a proud moment for everyone.
If not a footballer, which profession would Shubham have chosen?
I used to play lawn tennis, and I think I was pretty good in that. So yeah, I think I would choose lawn tennis.
And finally, a message to the fans, the Odisha fans.
I just want all the people in Odisha to know that there's a team, Odisha FC, and we are playing and we are representing the state. So I just want everyone to be engaged in the sport and come and support us in the stadium, not only from the TVs, but yeah, in the stadium, and just support us, and we'll give our best for the team. Keep watching Odisha Post Live, and for more details, like, share and subscribe.